When you are in the work setting, the professional setting, madalas, di ba, natatabunan tayo ng mga technical na mga bagay na ginagawa natin, especially in the government setting. Hindi na tayo gaano nakakaisip ng mga mas innovative na solusyon. No? So, creativity and innovation are two very similar things. Ano bang difference nitong creativity and innovation? Pag sinabi mong creativity, you are thinking of new things. So, you are generating a lot of ideas. Pag innovation naman, in-apply mo na yung creativity mo, in-apply mo yung new ideas mo, you are now doing new things and improving the lives of people. So these are innovations that aim to help people, to make a difference. No? So when we explain social innovation, we also attach it to the Sustainable Development Goals ng United Nations. Yung bang solution na ginagawa mo ay makaka-contribute sa Sustainable Development Goals. That's social innovation.